How to add or remove the background sounds widget in the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then at the top, swipe down to open up the control center. Now, if you want to remove the background sounds widget, just tap on the add button, then tap on the remove button, and that will remove the widget from the control center. Now, to add in the widget to the control center, again, you want to go into your control center, then tap on the add button. Once you are in an edit mode, go down and then tap on add a control at the bottom here. Now we scroll down. So scroll down to the hearing accessibility section, then tap on background music, and that will get added to your control center in here. Now I have added already in here, so it will be somewhere in here. We just need to find it. So here it is. So if sorry, it's trying to move to the next screen. So I'll go back in here. So if I try to move it over here and then I'd make it bigger. So here we have enlarged the widget to make it a larger size. And then after that, you can swipe up to close the edit mode. Then swipe up again to return back to the home screen. Then when you want to turn on the background sounds, you can pull down the control center. After that, just tap on background sounds to toggle it on or off, like that. To change the background sounds, you can touch and hold on the widget. And from here, you can adjust the volume. You can select a different sound, so bright noise or dark noise. So we'll close that first, see if that makes the changes. Okay, so it does not actually give us a preview in here. You need to tap on the icon at the top here to have a preview listen of the selected sound. So that's dark noise. Let's look for something more relaxing, such as rain or ocean, the sound of the ocean. If it's too loud, you can always lower down the volume by dragging on the volume bar at the top here. Or rain, the sound of rain, so you can do that as well. And here you can tap on it to switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.